Hello friends, in Learn and Earn I will ask question in this video itself, so please ready for it. Let us first understand watch window concept. I have here one balance sheet, summarize concise balance sheet, and understand watch window over here. For example, I have here balance sheet assets and liability. We can go in link by pressing control and bracket column. So we'll go to its link. Now it's notes. Further control bracket so will come in last TB. By pressing F5 we can back. By pressing F5 we can break. So let's first go to balance sheet. Now here we can see that balance sheet is tally 0. If now I make any change over here, there are only 3 sheets but there can be multiple sheets also. If I make any change over here, then balance sheet may not be, rather must not be tally. We can see here differences arise. But how to track it? I have to always go page up, page down for this. But what I can do is I can just set watch window in formula. Under we can get watch window here, and we can set. I am deleting this. I have already watch window. I am adding further. Go to balance sheet and adding this cell in watch window. We have to add watch window. Click which cell I want to add. For example, this cell I want to add. Then click add. So here you can see the sheet name balance sheet, cell C8 and value, that is 40, and formula is also given. Now I make again this 10. So you can see here balance sheet is tally, difference is 0. Now if any change I make, then difference will arise over the here. I think I have missed not given formula over here. I am giving formula. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, now it's okay. So difference is arisen. Let's try again. 10, difference is 0. Now again I am adding 11. So difference is 1. We can check over here the difference in 1. Okay friends, so this is watch window concept. Now let's check a question. From my last video, how to create ledger in entry mode. Your options are Alt N, Alt C, Alt L, Control C. Please give answer as fast as possible. Thank you.